I've seen that boss.
Wait, what?
Ooh, look at your outfit, bro. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Vinass? How much? Oh! Who you?
He's dead, that's who it is.
Where'd you get that outfit, man?
A couple different outfits together. Oh, Jesus.
My controller is vibrating so much it feels so good.
Oh, and
Keep
there
that to
it
yourself.
Keep that to yourself?
So what's up, book nerds?
Johnny, you wanna help me?
I'm not there right now.
It's pretty easy to get here. You teleport.
Oh, what does pot want? I don't want no pot.
You bitch. Get over here.
Yeah, you tell that nerd.
I'm so scared.
Alright, hold up, watch this.
I'm always scared. What am I talking
Ah!
about? Where'd I go?
Oh, missed it.
I need to talk to some people.
Do I have to talk to you?
Dude. No. I'm gonna die.
Don't kill the Webbers. Dang nerds. Get him?
Why?
Yeah.
Why can I not go through?
Ah, who it is?
You're missing something.
Yo, we got invaded. Who this bitch?
Do I have to talk to the? Do I talk to Pot Man?
Yo, why he running like some fool?
I don't know, but he's weak as fuck. He should not be invading.
Yeah, what you doing? You trying to get your reps in or what, kid?
Jeez.
Do I have to talk to this guy again?
Oh man. Yo, come on over here.
Fucking dead now.
What was that?
All right. Should I be able to
Come
go
here.
now? Please.
Now that was entertaining, I will say.
Oh yeah.
He was just right here,
I'm
just
I'm
chilling.
I'm so confused.
I'm so glad that in PvP, my build is solid.
Yeah, bro. You ready?
Where'd you go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey, what up, dog?
Ah, the Red Wolf. The bane of my existence.
I am confusion.
That is why.
Really? Not that bad.
Oh man.
It's the fucking constant attacks, though.
Do I just
Oh! A bad dog! Oh! Hey, stand still!
Nope. I'm still confused.
Oh man.
You're welcome.
Yeah! Yeah!
Nearly went cross to the clown there. What the fuck?
Oh,
Thanks, man.
I'm supposed to go down here. Am I?
Hmm.
Oh, either.
See, Raph, this is how I've been just fucking flying through the game, just cheesing it with other people.
Mm-hmm. Me like the cheese.
Oh, there's a portal here. Let's see.
Bro, you want to help me kill the dragon?
Which one?
The one over here in
Right
this
on.
lake.
Oh, yeah.
That dragon isn't too bad.